Okay guys, I'm gonna finish filling all the other pie crust with the pie filling. This step is purely optional. I always sprinkle a little bit of the cinnamon sugar on the top. I'm going to place these in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes to an hour. Then I'm going to take them out and let them set, and the sweet potato pies are finally done. Before putting the pies in the oven, I forgot to mention that I take pieces of foil and make a foil barrier around the edges of the pie crust so that they do not burn or get too dark. This is purely optional. I just forgot to tell you. Moving on. Okay guys, my pies are finally done. I just took them out the oven and they are piping hot. They baked at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Now they're going to sit out for about 2 to 3 hours for them to continue the carryover cooking and setting up. Unfortunately guys, I can't cut these pies because they are spoken for. So what I'm going to do is place a screenshot picture of when I made these pies in the past. So guys, I know that this video is a little long, but I wanted you to know step by step of how to put this sweet potato pie recipe together. Trust me, once you've made this recipe once or twice, it will be a breeze to make these pies. So you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Give this tater pie, as they say down here, a try. And stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.